Sometimes you do encounter some problems with automatic endnotes. If they do not appear automatically, or if the author did not set up the footnotes correctly in the first place, then converting those footnotes to automatic endnotes will not be possible. To fix this, you must do it manually by adding each endnote or footnote individually. But since I keep track of the location of each footnote or endnote while I'm reading the essay, it is so easy to just go back to my notes where I have that information and know exactly where to find each endnote and add it manually. To do so, I go back to the location of, let's say, footnote number 1 or endnote number 1. I then cut the text and then delete the superscript that was created originally. I then create it again by going to select, then footnote/endnote, and choose the following options, which is under location is endnotes, and select end of section and convert. Under format, the number should be starting with 1 and it should have continuous numbering. And you apply the changes to this section and then finally click insert. It'll take you to the bottom of the page where the endnote is located, and there you will paste the text and you're all done with that endnote. You must do this for each individual endnote.